What's up guys, Romsicle here, back with another review, the show where we find out whether or not you should buy a microphone to add to your audio setup. Now, sound is one of the most important qualities in media, and almost just as important or even more important than video itself, because it can still give you context even when the screen is off. And when it comes to videos like this, audio quality is everything, and it really dictates of how good the video is. This is the FiFine Microphone. It's a $30 microphone from Amazon. It's fairly cheap, but it performs almost just as well as a $130 microphone like a Blue Yeti. Let's go over the physical properties. It's a very simple microphone. It's an all-metal design with a mini stand included. The stand's legs are made of metal, and at the end of those legs are rubber tips for vibration absorption. Moving up, we have the adjustable joint of the microphone. This nicely treaded knob allows you to angle the microphone 180 degrees, and even when the knob is loose, the microphone still holds its ground and won't fall abruptly because it's still tightly fit. Also, a bonus feature is that the stand is removable and the joint can be screwed onto a stand like a newer microphone stand, and it works amazingly. Moving to the main section of the microphone, this is a unidirectional microphone, which means it only picks up audio from the front, and anything from the side and the back of the microphone will be drastically reduced to get good isolation. You can even see the microphone itself through the metal grate, and it looks quite nice. The main controls to this microphone is just this one knob. The knob says volume, but it really is the gain knob. The left side completely mutes the microphone, and the right side is for maximum sensitivity in audio recording. The best gain settings I've found for this microphone is around the 9 to 10 o'clock mark, and it works great. So now let's get an audio comparison between the $30 FiFine microphone versus the $130 Blue Yeti microphone. So right now I'm recording on the $130 Blue Yeti Blackout that I've been using for the past 2 or 3 years with all voiceover work. I'm always using this one. Recording on Premiere Pro, you might hear some hissing noises from the fan that's right beside it, which is why in some of my videos, or a lot of my videos, you can hear some kind of hissing noise because my computer is right here. I plan to change that setup soon, but this is what the voice recording sounds like at the lowest gain settings for this microphone, with the pop filter included. Without the pop filter, you'll definitely hear some more pops. So right now I am recording on the $30 FiFine microphone, and as I said before, it's compatible with a newer mic arm. So right now it's on the same bar that it was on with the Blue Yeti, and as you can see, the stand also fits on the Blue Yeti as well, which is pretty damn cool. So right now on my settings for the gain knob is at around 10 o'clock, around that angle or so. So you can tell for yourself what kind of audio quality you're getting from this microphone. From the previous encounters that I've used this microphone, the hissing noise is a bit more prominent in some cases. Also, the fan is still beside me right now, so you can probably tell how much fan it's picking up, even with the small amount of gain that this microphone has. So with this audio quality, you can give yourself the comparison of how good this quality is, how well it compares to the $130 microphone of the Blue Yeti. Because in my opinion, I think this microphone does do really well for a $30 microphone. Although the cable isn't detachable, which is kind of terrible, but it's a $30 microphone, I can't complain about that. It's an overall really good microphone, well built, good sound, and definitely seems like this with a little more of a hissing noise. As you just heard from the audio quality, the FiFine microphone is almost just as good as the Blue Yeti in terms of recording quality. It may not have the same features like the Blue Yeti, like changing recording styles from omnidirectional to bidirectional to unidirectional, but if you're someone who only uses one type of recording, like voiceover work, this is a great microphone for you. The FiFine microphone does produce a little bit more of a hissing noise than the Blue Yeti microphone, but over voiceover work, you can barely hear it. That's been it from the FiFine microphone. Hopefully I brought a new product into your midst to consider if you're interested in audio recording work. And trust me when I tell you this, on the ROM scale, I give this a 10 out of 10, a perfect score, because it's super convenient, it comes with a stand, it's got metal build quality, and the recording is great, and last but not least, it's $30 only. It's super cheap and is comparable to something as a Blue Yeti. If you have any questions, leave in the comments down below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell to see notifications of when a new video pops up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.